So we thought, or I'd share my imagination and thought we'd have some fun. So look what I've made. So step back, my little elves. That's it. So I had a bit of laminate flooring left over, and I've raided the recycling bag, and I've made a bowling alley. So right, hold on. We've got a bowl. Here's the bowl. So should we have a go?
Yeah.
Come on then, you can start. So start over there. You just got to roll it like you're at bowling. Ready? Let's bowl. Try again. Quick, go get it. Okay. Right, try again. Let's do it. Okay, concentrate. Get it straight. Oh, you got it. Okay. Don't knock any over just yet. Keep going. Yeah. Got to do it until you score. Ready? Go. Yeah! Oh, straight! Let's do a celebration dance. Right, let's get it set up and we'll do some more. I like this. All we need now is like, I don't know, hot dogs and popcorn and stuff, don't we? See? It's a winner. Get stuck? Make a bowling alley. Don't have to use laminate flooring. You can use, what, tape? If you haven't got a ball, I was going to use a rolled up pair of socks. So there you go. Woo! Say cheers and gone.